Hello and welcome back to another Grant's Trains, Tech, and Cars video, where today we're doing a short unscripted video on how to clean the bottom of these mid-2009, 2010 polycarbonate MacBooks, because after a while they get pretty disgusting. So let's get into how to clean them. Alright, so for this simple project, all you're going to need is a normal magic eraser, nothing special. All-purpose cleaner that's not going to hurt rubber. I found Spray 9 works well. I've heard 409 will also work. And some paper towel to wipe it off when you're done. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's zoom in a little bit here. And what you're going to do is take the magic eraser and spray some cleaner on it. Get it nice and covered in the cleaner. I would recommend not spraying it right on your computer and spraying it on the cleaner. Then, once I get my cleaner out of the way, take the magic eraser and just start wiping. And as you can see, it gets clean pretty quickly. So I'm going to do half of it so I can show you the difference. So see, when you're done wiping it off, set the magic eraser to the side, take some paper towel, and wipe the excess cleaner off. And there you go. You have half of a cleaned MacBook. So as you can see, we made a pretty big difference here with just some Spray 9 and a cleaner. It did make the magic eraser fairly dirty. So, I mean, do you want a clean computer or do you want a dirty magic eraser? I mean, it's kind of trade-off. But you can see this is the part I didn't clean and this is the part I did clean. Now, this doesn't remove any scratches, that's for sure. The scratches are still going to be there, but the rubber base feels a lot nicer and looks a lot cleaner. This is Sharpie, you don't have to worry about that. So let's go ahead and clean the rest of it. There still should be enough cleaner on here. So let's just keep wiping. Sometimes you do have to put a little work into it to get it clean. Might even need a little more cleaner. There you go. Just do one more swipe of the bottom. Really get in there in some places. Won't hurt the bottom, that's for sure. And then, take some more paper towel. And wipe it down. And then you're done. Alright, so to finally wrap this video up, I'd like to thank Ian's Tech on YouTube for showing me the idea of cleaning it with all-purpose cleaner. I mean, it's never something I came up with, but I wanted to make a short video to show you how. So this is that video, and I would again like to thank Ian's Tech for giving me the idea and showing me how to do this. And I think it yields pretty good results, so if you have a 2009 polycarbonate MacBook with this rubber base, I would highly encourage you to do this because it makes it look all that much better. Now, I would encourage you to also go like and subscribe to the video, and wait for the next one. This has been Grant's Trains, Tech, and Cars, and I'll see you in the next video.